guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something not really common but always cool and albacho. I'm going to make a beef heart tartare. It's absolutely delicious if you like the offal, of course. I show you what we need, but I just want to say this is my tartare. You can use any ingredient you like, okay? I show you what we need. Okay, of course, ask your butcher to have a nice beef heart. This is already washed and clean. And we need salt and pepper. I'm gonna use some lemon juice and lemon zest, capers, anchovies, parsley, Dijon mustard, little touch, black olives if you like, or any olives you like, and sauerkraut and garlic. I take another chopping board. What you need here is very important. You need a nice sharp knife, okay? I take this part here, gonna be around 100 grams, 150 grams, stuff like that. Depends how big the tartare you want to do. Try to clean for the fat. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, or check out our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Take your heart, cut like this, cut maybe 2 or 3 pieces, cut in strips like that, as well this. Basically, you start, so it's like when you cut the parsley, you know? Take your time, start cut like this. Basically, you make more fine as possible. You're gonna make almost like mince beef, you know? You know, your knife, and just do like this. You know? Everything. Add the capers you want, if you like, always. I told you, you can put any ingredient you like, but capers, they work very well. Some fillet anchovies. Oh, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and maybe 7 to start. A little touch of sauerkraut. Couple olives. You can cut it because they more stable. Little pinch of parsley, and guys, start again until everything starts being mixed and fine. I'll show you the next, okay? When you have something like this, take a plate, put everything inside. We do some salt, how much you like, black pepper, another pinch of parsley, Dijon mustard is just a teaspoon, put inside, some lemon zest, how much you like, the garlic if you like, a little touch, olive oil. We mix everything properly. I won't try because the smell is absolutely, oh, wow. Look like beef fillet tartare. It's absolutely albacho. I have one ring of this. Take a nice plate because it's quite cool. Take your time. Press everything properly. I'm very excited about that. Okay, then. I don't like, but you can put like this. Lemon zest on the top. This is amazing. Piero's beef heart tartare. Very well done, Piero. And like, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.